So with your project paper, a light pencil, and an eraser, and your ruler, here we go. This is pretty much the same thing that we did with our color pencil project, but for some reason it was like a huge struggle this morning. So I'm not really sure why that was. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate this out another time and then put it up on Canvas so you can have that as you need, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grid out our project paper and we're gonna grid out our portraits, and I'll give those portraits to you in a little bit, okay? So on this one, what you're going to do is we're making a really tight grid. So we're making a 1 inch by 1 inch grid. So everybody check out your ruler, find where each of your inches are. So that's where you'll have like your large number, and like the line directly after that large number is the indicator of that's where an inch is, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do at every single inch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, I'm gonna make that measurement mark. So I did at the bottom. I'm gonna do this again in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then I'm going to do it one last time at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, only 8?
It only goes to 8, but it sections it out into 9 sections.
Mine goes with...
Then you did the wrong side first. But it doesn't matter because you just did the long side first and I did the short side. So either way, it doesn't matter because you're going to have to do both sides anyway. Okay, so it doesn't matter. All right, so now with my measurements in place, I'm going to line my ruler up along those measurement marks and really super lightly. You guys have probably learned this from your color pencil project. If you do this too dark, then it's really hard to get these grid lines out. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm lining my ruler up along all 3 of the measurement marks, and I'm just making a really light line connecting them all. Okay, so after we're done gridding this out, I'm going to show you how that's going to work with your portrait picture. Those of you that got them sent to me yesterday, I have them printed out. Some of you I still don't have some from. So you'll need to send that over to me. I got your cut space projects graded, and I'll be handing those back. All right. Okay, guys, so at this point, you should have put a measurement mark at every inch, 1 to 8. And you should have done that at the bottom, kind of in the middle of the paper, and then at the top, and then you line your ruler up, and you bring those lines down. Okay? How many of you already have this step done? Nope. Okay, so I'll wait a little bit. It'll end up being 8 lines that sections it out into 9 sections. So you're going to make a mark at every inch, 1 to 8. Okay. And guys, make sure you keep it really light. Remember, those of you that got them really dark on your colored pencil and then you couldn't erase them out all the way, that was a bummer. All right, how many of you have finished this step?
Not me.
You did the long way. You got extra lines on yours.
No, I didn't.
Did you flip it back over?
Yeah.
You could have kept it, because you would have had done that side anyway.
Oh.
It's gonna be real gross, but I need to clean out I need to make a new slip in the slip jar, and it smells bad. Like it smells like rotten eggs. So what I'm gonna need you to do is, like, all the stuff's kind of taped on the outside of it, just kind of take it off, and then you're gonna need to dump the slip out and probably hide that trash can in the kiln room for today. And then, yeah, I don't want all that going down my sink. And then you're gonna have to wash that jar out for me. And then I'll make up the slip later, but it stinks. Yeah, and it's on the other side. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Okay, so I'm gonna flip my paper over. And now, because this is my long side, I've got more measurement marks that I have to make. So now my measurement lines are going to be 1 through 11. And my paper got cut wrong. So what I'm going to do is my ruler starts right at a 0 point. And so I'm going to make sure that the top of my paper aligns with my first mark on my ruler. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay?
Do we have that one margin that doesn't have anything in it?
Yeah, I'll talk about it because it's going to be different for everybody.
Okay.
Good question. Okay, so now I'm at the middle point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I'm at the very edge of my paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I'm going to line all those up and draw those grid lines in there. Guys, make sure that you're doing it real lightly. Okay, about halfway through. Hey guys, focus on gridding. Doing a lot of talking, which I know you can pretty good at multitasking through gridding, but try and concentrate on getting this done as fast as you can. Bless you.
My paper is like folded up.
Okay, is there anybody who's struggling? I mean, I feel for you, but really no, just with the grid. Because if we need a therapy session, I'll have to take a lot longer than just this class period. Okay. All right, how many of you are completely done getting the full grid in there? Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a little bit longer. Okay, let's leave my outlet danglies alone. I know it's tempting. I know it's tempting. All right. Okay, most of you are ready to go. So those of you that have your grid done, we're going to label it. And so those of you that don't, if you get too far behind, this video will be in Canvas for you so you can check it out. Okay, we're going to do, so make sure you have your paper portrait style. Okay, so long ways in front of you. Now we're going to label. So your top left box, we're going to label these the letters. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. Okay, do that at the bottom as well. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. All right, then we're going to number the sides. So starting in the A box, the top A box, that's also number 1. So you got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And I'm going to do that the same over on the I side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's it for your actual like project paper. All right.